And welcome back, fabulous fourth graders, you math masters. Hope you enjoyed your little break. I know I did. Wait a second, I wasn't on a break. I was teaching third grade. All right, we're going to start our concept development. And we'll get right down to it. Let me set my timer so I don't go on and on like I usually do. And away we go. Let's see what Eureka Math is asking us to do. It says, regroup units 5 times to subtract. Is that what I'm on? Yeah, regroup units 5 times to subtract. So let's get started on that. And what we're going to start off with is the following problem. We're going to take the whole, this is what we call the whole amount, tape diagram. Here's the whole. It's 253,421. Copycats, go ahead and write this down. Now we're going to do the part. Here's the part. Do we know what this represents? No, we do not. This is the question mark. Okay, so we have 253,421 is the whole. The part is 75,832. What we don't know is what this part of the part is. So this is something we don't know. And the only way to figure this out that I can think of is to take the whole and subtract the part. So let's get right to that. And we'll subtract 53,421 minus 75,832. And remember, our goal today was to regroup units 5 times to subtract, okay? So there's going to be 5 regroupings in there, I think. Let's see what happens. I can't take 2 ones away from 1 1, right? So think. I'm going to give 10 over here. So that 1 becomes 10 plus 1, which is 11. And 11 minus 2, well, I know 11 minus 1 is 10, so minus another 1 would be 9, correct? Stuck here, 3 10s, but only 1 10. I can't subtract 3 10s from 1 10, so I'm going to borrow 10 10s from the hundreds column. And that will become, look, another 11. So 11 minus 3, 11 minus 2 is 9, so 11 minus 3 must be what? 8. I cannot take 8 hundredths away from 3 hundredths, right? Can't be done. So I'm going to have to get 10 hundredths from my thousands column here, place value, and add 10 to 3, which is 13. So 13 take away 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 is the difference. None of the thousands, 5 and 2. I can't take 5 thousandths away from 2 thousandths, so time to decompose a 10,000. And look, I'm just taking 1 10,000 and putting it over in the thousands place value. So it becomes 10 plus 2, which is 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Then I can't take 7 10,000ths away from 4 10,000ths, right? So I'm going to have to go to the 100,000ths column, make that a 1, and then this place value gets 10 10,000ths. So 10 10,000ths plus 4 10,000ths is 14 10,000. So 14 minus 7. What's the difference? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's 7. And then bring down the 1. So we have 177,589. How are we going to check this problem? Well, we're going to add the difference. So the difference between 253,421 and 75,832 is 177,589. What we're going to do is we're going to add the difference to the part, and it should equal the whole amount. So let's get busy with that. We'll take 177,589 plus the part, 75,832. Now, why don't you pause the recording and then come on back to check your answer. And welcome back. Hope you did the work and not just waited for me to tell you how to do it. 9, 10, 11, bring up the 1. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 plus 3 is 13, plus 1 is 14. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 7 plus 7 is 14, 7 times 2 plus 1 is 15. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get, 253,421. And that is our answer to that problem. And we're going to do one more thing with this. We're going to show it on the dreaded place value chart. So go ahead and make your place value chart. We're going to need 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, I'm running out of room. I wanted to make them extra wide. So we have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 thousands, and 100 thousands, okay? So our whole number was 253,000. 253,000. 421, okay? 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1 1. 253,421. Well, I'm subtracting 75,832. So let's start subtracting. Remember, I couldn't take 1. Well, in fact, you know what? I'm going to put the problem up here just so we can see it. All right. So I couldn't take 2 ones away from 1 1, so I had to decompose a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm ready to subtract. I have a total of 11 ones, and I'm subtracting 2, leaving me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 1 10, and we're subtracting 3 tens. Can't be done. So taking from my hundreds, we're going to put 10 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What am I subtracting? I'm subtracting 3, okay? 1, 2, and 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 4 hundredths. Now I only have 3. But we're subtracting 8 hundredths. So once again, I have to get 10 hundredths from my thousands column. Okay. How many I'm subtracting? I'm subtracting 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 thousands, and we're subtracting 5 thousands. Okay, so what do I need to do? Decompose the 10 thousands. How much is 1 10,000 worth? Well, it's worth 10 thousands. And what are we subtracting? Well, 10 thousands column, I'm subtracting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like my answer is going to be right, I think. So we'll continue on. And I can't take, I'm subtracting 4. I only have 4 10,000s, but I need to subtract 5. So I'm going to get 10 10,000s for my 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to subtract how many? We're subtracting 7 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then no 100,000s to subtract. And look, our answer is the same. 177,589. So it's not the same. Mr. Lee, make a blunder, an error. Maybe I didn't count. Oh, I didn't count. Look, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. I thought I crossed out that one. So there, it is the right answer. We proved it with a tape diagram. We checked. And go ahead and take a little break and come on back, and we're going to do something else with subtraction.